Most Airbnb hosts treat their listing photos like an afterthought, and then they wonder why their calendar stays empty. We've helped over 2,000 hosts worldwide bring in more than $100 million in bookings this year alone by simply fixing how they present their stays. Even the world's best location or view won't convert unless your photos actually sell the stay. And if you want to double your click to book rate, then simply check the link in the description below. We've put all of our free books into one handy resource that you can use. Here's how bad photos can actually hold you back. Data shows that professional photos can earn up to 40% more revenue, deliver 24% more bookings, and support higher nightly rates. Guests don't read, they scroll fast. One study found users spend around 22 seconds browsing photos, but only 5 to 7 seconds reading the descriptions. That means photos sell your listing more than anything else. When you upload dark, cluttered, or awkward photos, you sell a vibe of meh, not book me. Dim rooms, blown out windows, flat lighting, they kill the mood faster than the clutter over cloud. They kill the mood faster than clutter ever could. Natural daylight or carefully controlled warm lighting makes rooms look more bigger, cozier, inviting. Take Emma. Her loft in Barcelona was gorgeous, but on Airbnb, it looked like a dim basement. Bookings flatlined. We showed her how she could reshoot that golden hour, opened up every curtain, switched off harsh overhead lights with soft lamps on, and within 48 hours, her listing got 23% more saves. Her listing got 23% more saves. A week later, the bookings rose by 35%. Guests don't book a place, they book a feeling. Trash bins, laundry piles, tangled cables. Guests see that and they script right through. Sarah, who had a small flat in London, cleared countertops, removed personal items, fluffed pillows, add a simple plant and a coffee cup on the table. Just enough staging. Her click to book rate jumped 18% overnight. Your space should look spotless and intentional. Crisp linens, neat pillows, a subtle decor touch, nothing personal or cluttered. And the angles matter. Close-ups of a lamp or of a skewed wall corner give zero sense of space. Use wide angle shots, shot from corners or doorways. Show how spaces connect, living room to kitchen, bedroom to window. Upload photos in a logical order. Entry or exterior first, then living room space, kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, then any extra special extras that are going on, like a patio or a view, that turn random images into a guided walkthrough tour. Avoid heavy filters or over editing. Walls that turn bright blue or glowing pillows may spark likes on Instagram, but it kills the trust when a guest books with you. At the end of the day, your guests expect reality. If walls look grey and they arrive, but your photos look blue, you're asking for complaints. Edit lightly, brightness, contrast, straight lines, minimal tweaks. Make sure the place looks at least as good in real life as it does in the photos. Avoid blurry or low resolution shots. Grainy or pixelated images scream cheap or neglected. Use a tripod. Take photos of high resolution, review on laptop, not just a phone, and retake if not sharp. A single blurry image can drag your whole listing down. Now, if you're serious about all of this, and if you want to build a true direct booking system that gets you booked time and time again, then make sure you click on the link below. You can work with us and we will help you turn lookers into bookers.